Deccan College Postgraduate and Research Institute, also referred to as Deccan College, is a postgraduate institute of archaeology and linguistics in Pune, India. History. Early years. Established on October 6, 1821 as Hindu College, it is one of the oldest institutions of modern learning in India. It was started under Mount Stuart Elphinstone, with funds diverted from the erstwhile Peshwa's Dakshina Fund, later disbursed by Sardar Kandra D. Bard after the territories of the Peshwa were annexed in 1818. It was also known as the Pune Sanskrit College. The first principal was Major Thomas Candy. In 1837, English and other modern subjects were added to the curriculum. An English school was added to the college in 1842. On the 7th of June 1851, the English school was merged with the Hindu College to form Pune College. In 1857, the principal was Sir Edwin Arnold, followed by W.A. Russell in 1860. From its original location in Vishrambarwada and later in Wanari, the Pune College was shifted to its present large campus near Yerwada. The land was donated by the Bombay government. The foundation stone of the main building was laid on the 15th of October 1864. A Victorian neo-Gothic building was constructed by Sir Henry Bartle Frere, with a munificent 1,000 rupees from Sir Jamsetji Jijiboy, 2nd Baronet, between Kirki and Uwada. The college started functioning on the new campus on the 23rd of March 1868. At this stage it was renamed as Deccan College in recognition of the enrollment of students from the entire Deccan region. Until 1881, Deccan College was staffed by 4 professors, one acting as principal. Another of the 4, the professor of Oriental languages, supervised 5 traditional Sanskrit Shastras and an expert in Zend Pahlavi in an extensive program of research and text publication. In addition to his teaching duties, student enrollment rose to a peak of 210 in 1885. William Wordsworth and E. A. Wodehouse were principals of the college during 1862–74 and 1934–39 respectively. Recent history. Deccan College temporarily shut down its teaching activities in 1934 due to lack of funding. It was reopened by order of the Bombay High Court on August 17, 1939 as a postgraduate and research institute for promoting higher learning and research in Indology and social sciences. The reopened institute originally had 4 teaching and research departments: archaeology, linguistics, history, and sociology anthropology. A transfer deed was passed by the Honorable Bombay High Court on the 16th of August 1939 by which the court enjoined the state government to run the institute in perpetuity. As per the transfer deed, the Deccan College Pune Trust came into existence, in which were vested the properties including the land and buildings. In accordance with the provision in the transfer deed, the appointments of the trustees today are made by the state government. It was incorporated by the Pune University in 1948, becoming one of its recognized institutions. The state government was entrusted with preparing the rules for the administration and management of the Deccan College Postgraduate and Research Institute, which was to cater to studies in postgraduate and research in heritage-related subjects. Thus the Management Council came into existence. In the next half-century, the institute, apart from giving instruction to postgraduate students and producing over 500 Ph.D. dissertations, carried out outstanding research in ancient Indian history, culture and archaeology, linguistics, medieval and Maratha history, sociology, anthropology and Sanskrit studies. in recognition of the excellence achieved by the Institute in Teaching and Research. The H.R.D. Ministry, Government of India, awarded it the status of a deemed university on 5 March 1990. It started functioning as deemed university from 1 June 1994. Since then the institute has conducted its own courses for MA degree and PG diploma in archaeology, MA degree in linguistics, and MA degree in Sanskrit and lexicography, and has enrolled a large number of students for the PhD degree in these disciplines. Currently, Deccan College has only 2 teaching and research departments, archaeology and linguistics. On the premises are 2 museums, the Museum of Maratha History, and the Museum of Archaeology. As of 2016, it is currently involved in the ongoing multi-year excavation of the largest Indus Valley civilization site of Rakhigai in Hisar district of Haryana. Extra-academic. Deccan College had the oldest boat club in India, called the Pune Boat Club. The site has since been discontinued and is completely overrun by the slums behind Shadal Baba Dargah. Notable professors: Edward Hamilton Aitken, Edwin Arnold, F.W. Bain, R.G. Bhandarkar, Madhukar Keshav Dhavalekar, Zainuddin Dawud Ansari, Shivram Dattatreya Joshi, Narayan Govind Kalelkar, Sumitra Mangesh Khatter, Lorenz Franz Kyle Horn, G.T. Kulkarni, M.S. Mate, V.N. Misra, Saeed Suleiman Nadvi, K. Pader, Hasmuktaraj Lal Sankalia, Triambak Shankar Shejwalkar. Notable alumni: Gopal Ganesha Garkar, Senapati Bapat, Shripad Krishna Belvilkar, Vishnu Narayan Bhatkand, Vishnu Shastri Krishna Shastri Chiplankar, P.B. Gajendra Gadkar, Merwan Sheriyarani, Maropant Vishwanath Joshi, Arawati Kav, Nrsimha Chintaman Kelkar, Dwarkanath Kotnas, Vishwanath Kashyanat Rajwade, Ramachandra Dattatreya Ranade, Bhawani Singh of Pokhran, Member 1st Lok Sabha, Bal Gangadhar Tilak.